As the September 21st Edo governorship election dey near, members and supporters of the opposition parties dey move in large numbers to PDP as Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo last weekend received another batch of the campees for Edo North. The Deputy Governor welcomed over 120 decampees from across the opposition parties into the umbrella party at one ogbonge ceremony wey shele for the PDP secretariat for Agenibode, the administrative headquarters of Isako East local government area. For talk with Tori people, Engineer Omobayo come talk say PDP don become the beautiful pride of Edo people sake of the ogbonge work and achievement of this present administration under Govunor Godwin Obaseki wey dey recorded for the past 7 years. He can commend the Chairman Isako East, Honorable President Benedicta Atto, for the work which they do and promise say he go dey always support her.
Aswa Godalo is a sellable candidate. The APC, NMPP, Labour Party, they are all willing to work. Just voluntarily, it's not. It has the aura. I think that's the best word to use right now. PDP, all the lost glory of PDP is fast turning, and I want to thank our honorable chairman here. She's doing so well. You know, I like when people underrate you, when they under-project your capacity or capability. She's been able to prove she's been doing this, but I will continue to encourage you. Even if it's 5 people that are decaming from any party, I will come here.
Chairman Isako East, Honorable President Benedicta Atto, for her talk with Tori people, come talk say she dey honored as she dey part of the people who welcome the opposition parties into the umbrella, and say people they see the better work where this administration they do, now why they won't join them.
I welcome new members into our party. And it's an honor for me to be in his entourage to come and grace this occasion. We can say Governor has done well, and people are happy to identify with him. The man is a movement already, and it is showing. He's reaching out to the high and mighty. People are happy to identify with him. So what you saw there, were kingpins in APC, Labour Party, and NNPP coming to say we want to join the umbrella.
After they come out for Isako East, where they welcome the campees to PDP, Engineer Godwin Marvelous Omobayo go enter Isako West, where he meet with the Uzare Tipper Drivers Association, where the outgoing chairman of the Tipper Association, Mahmoud Yusuf, lay complaint of illegal levy and extortion of their members by revenue collectors for Uromi axis of the state.
We get issue for Uromi. They take us as we are from Bayelsa, either from other states. Money when we pay through that Uromi, any of those trucks when the Edo North entirely, when pass through Uromi, you have to pay 5,000 naira. After paying other things like tickets and revenue, that you just complain about that, so the women will be motivated about the way that they see the revenue for state. That is 1. 2, Akbede and Abieli Road. Since day before yesterday, none of our truck travel. As you can see, most of them loads here. And time of school season reach. We don't become Benin Governor, I said as your deputy governor, it's time for us to pay for our children's school fees. Now the work where would they do? Now to pay our children's school fees.
Engineer Omobayo, for in response to the complaint of the outgoing chairman of the Tipper Association, come assure them of government intervention and come commend them for their revenue generation as they help Edo state economy.
Thank you for these two. There not be issues because now man made problem and now man will solve it. Now man doesn't make that they pay 5,000. They not be so. As you don't draw from my attention now, my chief of staff will call the relevant authority, will call the chairman, and somebody be chairman for there. Let us get a first hand from her. So make una get a number. By Monday, we will get to the root of her. Then I'm sure before the week will resolve her. That's number 1. That one is for us to stop immediately. Number 2, we talk about the road. Yeah, I know say that federal road no be the pass. All of us know as it be. But whether na federal or not, they don't approve and never approve her, there can be some form of palliative or tentative solution. Make it allowed to get motorable, especially this period where rain day. So we take note. So I also carry the message. Go Benin, I go call. Now, when I'm picking in charge of road and bridges for those state here, Engineer Joseph Nanoa. So as I enter motor, I go call her. He go brief me. Even though saying a federal road, now we our people they pass. Are you getting me? Then we will see what we do around that.
Make it no forget say, as we see him, now so they talk him. We know they take blame. From Isako local government area of Edo State, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.